Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So, this morning, we will be discussing about gas exchange in packaging and its impact on fatty fish. And this is your reporter, Eugene James Pagaura. And let's proceed to objective. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to identify the key gases involved in food packaging and their rules in preserving fatty fish, explain how gas exchange occurs between packaging materials, understand the relationship between WVTR or water vapor transmission rate, moisture, and gas permeability, and how they affect the quality and shelf life of a fish. Okay, now key gases. So, what are those key gases in food packaging and its important gases used in food packaging? First is oxygen or O2. Oxygen can cause spoilage and fat oxidation. So, unsa ang oxygen? Ang oxygen can cause spoilage. Pwede siya ang food can be easily spoiled. And also, especially those fat fish can cause or oxygen can cause to those fatty fish fat oxidation. Now, next is carbon dioxide or CO2. Slows bacterial growth. So, in food, no, carbon dioxide is also important for they slows bacterial growth or bacterial activity within the food, especially in those raw foods or raw materials used for saman cooking. Next is nitrogen or N2. Replaces oxygen and helps maintain packaging stability. Nitrogen. Noon sa kang nitrogen? Nitrogen replaces oxygen and helps maintain package stability. Now, these gases are controlled using modified atmosphere packaging. No, dili lang ni sila nasa gawas but they are modified. No. Unlike sa atong gininti karon, they are not but sa kaninga area, no, gases are modified. No, ginatiman. Dili sila they are not neglected but they are modified. Next is how gas exchange happens. So how gas exchange happen? Now, gas exchange occurs through diffusion. No. Sa kuno, gases move through high concentration to low concentration, which means packaging materials like plastic films are permeable, allowing small amounts of gas to pass through. Temperature, thickness, and type of material affects the rate of gas movement. Unsa pa no kung ang diffusion if taas ang oxygen sa gawa sa packaging then diri sa sulod then naitinis nga oxygen may pass through permeable permeable uh, packaging. Like for example, no plastic films. Plastic films is semi-permeable. So pwede makasulod ang oxygen from outside to inside. So that causes some spoilage or pwede siya malagi. That causes spoilage or kaya bitong na food, especially those uh, with flour based nga chicharrons with fish, pwede siya sa hupas. No. Next is effect on fatty fish quality. Now, fatty fish such salmon, tuna, and mackerel are sensitive to oxygen. Remember that. Excess oxygen can cause first fat oxidation or rancid smell and taste, faster spoilage, shorter shelf life. Proper gas control helps keep fish and safe. Unsa ko na? Excess oxygen can cause fat spoilage or rancid smell. Kabantay mo nga lahi ng baho ang fish nga dili nasa kanang bitang semi permeable na packaging, dali lang siya mabaho, dali lang siya spoil, dali lang siya mapanos. Tapos sa pan, faster spoilage, yes, dali lang siya mapanos. Then, shorter shelf life, dali lang siya mapanos, but short lang yung shelf life. No, dili siya long because of what? access of oxygen. No. So lang siya oxygen, so na gamay ang iyang o namubo-mubuan iyang shelf life. Now, proper gas control helps fish fresh and safe. So no, proper gas control, if you store your product fish in a storage where there is a controlled controlled environment or controlled atmosphere, then your product will be able to uh, be preserved or mataas pa iya ang short life. Next is ang WVTR, moisture and gas permeability. So what is WVTR? Well, WVTR is water vapor transmission rate. This this is how to measure how much moisture passes through packaging. No, unsa po ang moisture mo pass sa packaging. Then gases impermeability measures how easily gases move through materials. So gases permeability daw is kung unsa ang gas move through materials. Kung mugamit ka og lata, plastics or cellophanes. No. Mana sila ang kanabitang ang ways of a gas na makasulod sa with different materials kay each materials has their permeability. Dili nato makita sa atong naked eye but they have these tiny small holes nga pwede makapenetrate ang gases. Mao na siya nga good packaging balances moisture control and gas control to maintain fish quality and extend shelf life. So, if you want your product or fish to have a good shelf life, then you must keep it on a controlled temperature, controlled atmosphere, no, to prevent what gas permeability like oxygen, nitrogen, and oxygen. So I guess that's all. Thank you.